This is an official emergency broadcast issued by the CNA Corporation. This is an official emergency broadcast issued by the CNA Corporation. This is an official emergency broadcast issued by the CNA Corporation. This is an
It's news to me that it's news to you. To which degree who answers to who? We could go on and on, but in the end, who are we kidding? My divinity is past infinity. Am I getting through? Seems our regime has plummeted south. Don't need to hide if that ain't got ahead. Why bite the hand that speaks when it's the only hand you're getting? It's time you see that this great abode is the last place you'll ever call home. So strap on in and take it on the chin, and don't forget who's running the show. Now look at this. Absolute bliss. Oh, what a shock. The doors aren't locked. I'm the monster. I terrorize. What That's my name. Not improved, just feeling used. Oh well, what a goddamn shame. Congratulations, all of my prey. Public relations are getting it cleansed. Find all your best weapons, because I'm nowhere close to quitting. So play my game, and just ignore the pain. All that remains is how you climb your brain. You all preach to me, but you are too blind to see that I am the one who's running the show. Yes.
This is an official emergency broadcast issued by the CNA Corporation. This is an official emergency broadcast issued by the CNA Corporation. Broadcast will now end.